Hi everybody, Juliana here. Today I'll be showing you how to work with chocolate, how to properly temper it for all your chocolate dipping or molding. Tempering chocolate means pre-crystallizing the cocoa butter in the chocolate. This means getting the chocolate hot enough so it starts to crystallize. When tempered, the cocoa butter is transformed into a crystal form. This is what gives it the awesome chocolate texture and beautiful glass. With tempered chocolate, you need to work very fast. Before you start, get ready everything you need and all you want to dip or cover with the chocolate. I will be showing you some chocolate-covered strawberries, cookies and other decorations. Get all your chocolate ready, spatulas and bowls, milk chocolate and dark chocolate. I will show you how to temper the chocolate in the microwave. This is the fastest way. Break the chocolate into small pieces. The smaller the pieces, the quicker your chocolate will melt and temper. Measure your chocolate and get 20 to 25% of the amount and set aside. Use a glass or plastic container. And if you have a thermometer, it's easier because you can just check the temperature when you need it. Melt it for 30 seconds and stir well so the chocolate doesn't burn. Repeat for 30 seconds again until the chocolate is partially melted. Some unmelted pieces must still remain in the container. You can check the temperature at this moment, which should be 40 to 45 Celsius for milk chocolate. Stop heating and stir the chocolate well until everything is melted. Stirring is the key of tempering chocolate. When it is all melted, add the extra chocolate and stir until a little thick. This means the chocolate is tempered. You can also check it using a piece of parchment paper. Spread some chocolate and leave it at room temperature, about 20 degrees. If it sets firm and shiny, it's tempered. If you break the chocolate and you hear that snap, it's tempered. Also, if when you touch it, you leave marks, it's not tempered. You can also follow the directions of your chocolate, which usually comes on the back. Dip your fruits into the tempered chocolate. I love to do it using strawberries. Who doesn't? Dip the strawberries gently. Use a deep container to make it easier. Take the excess off and place them over a tray covered with parchment paper. If the temperature starts to drop too fast, bring it back to the microwave for 5 to 10 seconds. Just make sure that you don't raise the temperature above 32 degrees, or you will lose your temper and have to start over. You can bring it down to the fridge if your kitchen's too hot. Mine, it's very hot. You can do the same with the dark chocolate. I covered one strawberry with not tempered chocolate to show the difference. Repeat it with the cookies and whatever you like. Anything with chocolate is delicious. Those cookies are my homemade Oreos recipe. You can also check the recipe in the description below. With tempered chocolate, you can make all these beautiful decorations, delicious treats, and amazing covered goodies. There is nothing more beautiful in a dessert than a shiny and glossy chocolate cover. It's a great technique to learn and apply to your sweets. I hope you enjoy working with chocolate like I do. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like. And subscribe to the channel for more delicious recipes and food adventures. Thank you so much for watching.